Hello everyone. How are you today? How are you doing? Welcome back to Ayisyen. If it's your first time here, welcome in. This is Ayisyen Vin Informe, where we bring you the truth in our language for our future. And also in the English language too, in my case. Today, guys, the news is urgent. Woo! This administration is going in, and we need to stay informed. So now the Trump administration has made a new move that could affect millions of immigrants. Like I said, they're going in, including Haitians, using Medicaid for emergency health care. Let's break it down, guys. So the federal government is now sharing private medical data. Kounya moun yo gouvernement ap share avec ICE private Medicaid data. Tout enfòmasyon Medicaid moun gouvernement ap share avec immigration. Non adresse ou ak de naissance ou race ou même social sécurité ou. Toute information ça y a by immigration. So again, the federal government is sharing private Medicaid data with Immigration and Customs Enforcement. Your name, your address, your birth date, your race, and even your social security number. This change affects nearly 79 million people. Changement ça a affecté 79 millions moun. And yes, even people using emergency Medicaid could be impacted. Même moun ki pa gen Medicaid la en full, moun ki gen emergency Medicaid ap affecté, capable affecté tout. So pour tout moun ki pa kon sa Medicaid access ye, so sonje sa. En pile immigrant dans pays sa ki pa gen papier, pa ka jwen full Medicaid. So yo lon programme kote yo gen access pour traitement médical dans cas emergency. So c'est ça qui sauve en pile la vie moun kal nan emergency room qui pa gen assurance privée et puis qui pa gen assurance et puis pa gen full Medicaid. Mais kounya à nouveau ba sa administration Trump la mette ya, lo al nan emergency room kounya yap gen toute information et puis yo ka utiliser information sa yo pour yo jwenn nou et puis pour yo prendre et puis pour yo déporter. So as I explained in Creole, a lot of undocumented immigrants in this country cannot get full Medicaid. So they are still allowed to get emergency medical care. Now, I know in my state in Florida and maybe in other red states too, they done away with that. I had a family member here that was on a visa and could not get any help. We couldn't get any help. We were paying most things out of pocket. We couldn't get emergency Medicaid. We couldn't get any assistance. The census did away with that. But I guess a lot of other states still have this emergency Medicaid program, and it allows people to get emergency medical care, and that saves a lot of lives in the ER. But with this new policy, ICE can now use that same health data to track down and deport people. So a lot of states, like of course California, New York, New Jersey, and Connecticut are pushing back. California's Attorney General said people might stop going to the doctor because they fear being deported, and that's dangerous, and that is so true. So pile ta commencé à stand up, y a dit que So, ou gen California, ou gen New York, ou gen New Jersey, ou gen Connecticut, yo di non, nou pa ka fè sa parce que an pil moun ka pè, si yo bezwen aide médicale, an pil moun ka pè pou yal ka docteur parce que y a pè que y a fin déporté yo. Parce que kounya y a share information yo avec immigration. So they've sued the Trump administration and there's a court hearing coming up on August 7th. So it's État sa yo sous administration Trump lan 7 août yo gen on court hearing. So hopefully this gets blocked too because this is too much. And what about our private medical data? These things are supposed to be private. HIPAA law. Come on. I don't understand this. So this matters to our Haitian community, especially for those using Emergency Medicaid. And it's a serious warning. This policy could be used to target people by race, name, or address. Even if you went to the hospital just once for a life-threatening emergency. So, ni même la pa affecté nou nan communauté haïtien parce que moun ki sou Emergency Medicaid nan communauté a kounya immigration ka target ou. Yap itilize nou, yap itilize adres ou. Et puis, based on your race, race ou, yap vin pou. So, it's ridiculous. It's sad and it's ridiculous. So what can you do? So if someone you love is using Medicaid, know your rights. Kisa nou ka fè nan kasa, kon doa nou. Konen doa nou. Talk to a legal aid group or immigration lawyer. Parle avec avocat ou soit on association ki ka ede nou. And most importantly, stay informed. Right here on Avin 609. Important pour nous toujours rester informés. La sous chaîne ça. Nous là pour nous informer nous. Pas quitter paix fait nous fermer bouche nous. We're here for you all. We're here. So please like, share, and subscribe for more updates that matter to our community. Turn on notifications so you never miss a post. Abonnez, like, share vidéo pour moi s'il vous plaît. So, bini bientôt avec une autre vidéo. Bonne nuit. Thank you guys for listening. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please share this video. And I will talk to you the next one. Bye for now.